Hi there, welcome to 254 Rent. My name is Faith Rotich and today I present to you this cheap, beautiful bedsitter located at Kasarani in Nairobi. Some of the amenities you're sure to get at this place include operational CCTVs for increased security, a balcony on each unit, 24/7 water availability, and an on-site caretaker.
Depuis que tu es à moi, kachwa Nganazo kachwa, banda kumayanga Nganazo kachwa, kachwa Depuis que tu es à moi Nganazo kachwa, mama Nganazo kachwa, banda kumayanga Nganazo kachwa, kachwa Nganazo kachwa, mama Baby, sans toi je perdrais toute ma raison Je serais comme un corps sans mot thème Qu'importe les hommes Chérie, t'auras toute mon affection Je t'aime sans me retenir.
And we've reached the end of the house tour. Rent for this place starts at 6,000 to 8,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on the design of the bedsitter you take. As usual, if you're interested in the house, click the link in the description box and it will take you to this properties page on 254 Rent, and there you can see all its other details, rent, pictures, location, and who to call if you want to book the house. Anyways, my name is Faith Rotich and it's been a pleasure hosting you. You can link up with me on my Instagram at rotich_kurgat to see the face behind the voice. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.
T'es le moteur de ma vie. Je me sentirais perdu sans toi, ah maman. Je suis content que tu sois à moi, baby. Là où tu iras, on ira. Depuis que tu es à moi